textbook from section 1.6, problem number 53. This problem is dealing with solving for y when we're having to deal with natural log problems. Now, in order to solve for this, we need to manipulate this one particular x, and we're going to change it to ln of, which is natural log of e to the x. Now, what this does is that it manipulates x in a format in which we can mold it to a different format in the future without actually changing its properties, because the natural log of e to any power is that power. So let's say if it was natural log of e to the 1, the result would be 1. And since this is natural log e to the x, the result of x, which is the original variable. So now that we've done that, we can use the log properties. Now, by log properties, we can use similar log values, and if we subtract them, they're divided by each other, and if we add them, they're multiplied by each other. So let's fuse these natural log equations so that we can view this in this other format. So now we have natural log of y minus 1 over 2, which equals to natural log of x times e to the x. And this is true so far because we've only used the properties of logarithms. Now, these logarithms are going to be a bit pesky, so in order to eliminate them, we need to exponentiate the entire problem to e. Now, what I put here is e caret, and what I mean by that is that e is going to be to the power of this entire equation. So it will be e to the power of natural log of y minus 1 divided by 2. The same as e is going to be to the power of natural log of x times e to the x. And so what this does is it eliminates the natural log. And the resulting value will be y minus 1 over 2 equals x times e to the x power. Now, since we need to isolate y, what we should do first is we should multiply by 2, and then we'll get the result of y minus 1 equals 2x times e to the x. Now, since we still have a variable, a number, a constant, that is on the y side that is not needed, we should just add it to both sides. And then we eventually get y equals 2x times e to the x power plus 1, the answer. Thank you very much, and this is my video.